Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach how to register for a Prop Elite Trader account through the Trader Funded site. Once we have opened the review related to prop firms and selected Edit Trader, we click on Go to Website and the page related to the Prop Elite Trader account site opens for us through the Sign In option. You will see the page, what related to, logging into the site. If we have already opened an account by entering the login information, we can access your trading account. Otherwise, to open a new account, we click on the Sign Up option, and the page related to account opening opens for us in this section. After completing the account opening details, you click on this option, which indicates that you have accepted all the terms and conditions related to the Prop Ally Trader Funding account. Finally, you select the Complete Sign Up option, and after entering the login information, we enter the dashboard related to the Prop Ally Trader Funding site and from the My Info section. This is about the main dashboard of the Prop Trading Elite Trader Funding platform, which is displayed to us after registration and logging into the account. In future videos, we will examine more details about the Prop Elite Trader Funding account together. Wishing you success and profitability.